Alabama. Y'all ready? It's about that time. Let's handle some monkey business. To the left, to the right, two step, now right. Now right. About that time that I turned that thing and put you right back in your lane, oh baby. About that time that I put my name on it, take control of that wild flame, oh. Got that rhythm, got that swing so tight. When the groove hit, everything feel right. Ain't no rush, we gon' take our time. Let the music move your soul tonight. You in possession of a wilder vibe that don't need to be running outside. I got that smooth operator style that can calm it down in a little while. So bring that thing here to me. Oh, let's handle this monkey business. Step left, let me in, and step right. I know how to calm it down. Two steps. Let's handle this monkey business. Slide now, girl, you better get this. Back it up, ain't gonna be no monkeying around. Bring it back. Woo, woo. Left, right, slide, right. Turn around, slow it down. Now bring it back, groove like that. It's high time I control that swing and got it right back in place. So baby, let that groove fall right in line. Catch that rhythm, feel that bass. So got you moving when the beat drop low, body rocking in that southern flow. Step by step, now here we go. Let that feeling take control. If you feel that vibe, say yeah. If you're riding that groove, say yeah. Don't fight it, just let it be. Bring that energy right to me. Let's handle this monkey business. Left now, let me in it right now. I know how to calm it down. Two steps. Let's handle this monkey business. Slide now, girl, you better get this. Back it up, ain't gonna be no monkeying around. Bring it back. Woo, woo. That monkey business. Let's handle this monkey business. That monkey business. Yeah, let's handle this monkey business. That monkey business. Let's handle this monkey business. That monkey business. Let's handle this monkey business. I know how to calm it down. Let's handle this monkey business. Slide now. Hey, ain't gonna be no monkeying around. Rock that groove. Don't stop now. Woo. Let's handle this monkey business. Handle it smooth now. The monkey business. Yeah, the monkey business. The monkey business. Handle it smooth now. Woo! This one for the smooth steppers. Grab somebody that make you look good and walk with them. Walk it out. Cross it over. Back step, now pivot, now pose. Ooh, yeah. You ain't gotta do nothing, just stand right here. You shine like a gemstone, baby, crystal clear. Like a pearl of great price, yeah, you that rare. Every time we step out, all eyes just stare. I just love to be seen with you on my side. You elevate And the smile you got, it hit just right. Got me feeling like a king every single night. Heads begin to turn when we walking slow. Every step we take got that natural glow. Everybody watching, trying to read the room, trying to figure out how we carry that groove. Oh, tonight, you my arm candy. Walk it out, let's give them a taste of what class is. Cross step, my reason why they staring. Back step smooth, it's a king and queen in this atmosphere. Pivot now, tonight, you my arm candy. Slow turn, let's show them how it's supposed to be. Hold that pose, they can't take their eyes off us. When we step in the scene. Walk, 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 cross, slide, slide. Back it up, now turn, glide, lean, hold, step, roll. Now bring it back, nice and slow. You ain't gotta say a word, let you feel the vibe. Your light keep glowing, yeah, you shine inside. Like a rare cut stone, yeah, you one-on-one. Every step we take feel like we already won. I just love to be seen with you by my side. You bring out my best, I can't even hide. And the presence you got, yeah, light me up. Got me floating on air, I can't get enough. If you step out clean, say yeah, yeah. If you glide real smooth, say yeah, yeah. Hold your partner, take your time. Let them watch how you shine. Tonight, you my arm candy. Walk it out, let's give them a taste of what class is. Cross step, my reason why they staring. Back step smooth, it's a king and queen in this atmosphere. Pivot now, tonight, you're my arm candy. Slow turn, let's show them how it's supposed to be. Hold that pose, they can't take their eyes off us. When we step in the scene. Walk it smooth. Turn, slide, dip, hold. Now ride slow. On with that arm candy. On with your beauty. On with that arm candy. On with your glow. On with that arm candy. On with your love, baby. On with that arm candy. I just want the world to know. Tonight, my arm candy. Let's give them a taste of what class is. Cross it now. My reason why they staring. Back step smooth. It's a king and queen in this atmosphere. Pivot now. Tonight, my arm candy. Turn now. Let's show them how it's supposed to be. Pose, ain't nobody fresher than us. When we step in the scene. Smooth with it. Yeah. Hold that pose. Yeah. That arm candy. Keep it smooth. Keep it classy. Organ fades. I know they hurt you, but let Alabama soul love on you tonight. Come here. You've been hurt before. You can't stand hurt anymore. Broken too many times, then you want a name. Disrespected to the core, but baby, not anymore. I got that medication for your pain. Come on, girl, let me heal you now. And though you think it'll repeat, I can feel you. But you're safe with me, and no one will steal you. My doses will heal and thrill you. So step into my space.